Oh no. You know that feeling, right? That absolute split second of panic when your finger slips and poof, your favorite post is just gone. We've all been there. But what if I told you that content isn't really gone for good? Well, in this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how to get it back.
So you just deleted that killer reel you spent hours on, or maybe a photo from a perfect vacation, and that feeling in the pit of your stomach is telling you it's gone forever? Well, don't worry, because there's a solution, and it's built right into the app.
Look, it happens to the best of us. That little finger slip feels like a catastrophe, but it's probably one of the most common mistakes people make. And lucky for us, Instagram has a plan for it. Okay, first things first, don't panic. Seriously, just take a deep breath. Your content is very, very likely safe and sound. It's just tucked away in a place most people don't even know exists, and you're in exactly the right place to find it.
You see, Instagram has this, well, it's like a hidden safety net for these exact moments. It's an official feature, but they don't exactly shout about it from the rooftops.
It's called the Recently Deleted folder. And honestly, it's your best friend in this situation. It's basically a temporary holding pen for everything you delete, your posts, your reels, even your stories, giving you this crucial little window to fix your mistake. Think of it like Instagram's very own undo button.
Now here's the catch, and it's a big one. This safety net is totally time sensitive. The second you hit delete, a countdown clock starts ticking, so you do have to act, and you can't wait forever.
For most of your content, we're talking your main grid posts and your reels, you have exactly 30 days to get it back. After that 30-day window slams shut, it's permanently wiped from Instagram servers. At that point, yeah, it's truly gone for good.
But here's where you really need to pay attention. Stories. This is the big exception. If you don't have your story archive turned on in your settings, you get a measly 24 hours to recover a deleted story. But if you turn that archive feature on, you get the full 30 days. Seriously, that one little setting makes all the difference.
All right, so you get it. You know the rules, you know the timelines. Now for the good part. Let's actually get your stuff back.
And I'm not kidding here. Once you know where to look, this whole process, from start to finish, is going to take you less than a minute. It is so fast. Okay, you're ready? Go to your profile page. See the three little lines in the top right corner, the hamburger menu? Tap that. From there, select your activity. On the next screen, just scroll down a little ways and you'll see it. Recently deleted. That's the jackpot. Tap it, find the post you want to save, tap the three little dots on the content, and hit restore.
We are almost there. There's just one last step after you hit restore. Instagram is going to ask you to prove it's really you. And trust me, this isn't just a hassle. It's actually there to protect your account. Think about it. This step is super important for security. It's there to stop some random hacker from getting into your account and maliciously deleting all of your content. So yeah, it's a pretty smart layer of protection.
And it's so easy. All you have to do is get a one-time code sent to your email or your phone as a text message. Just grab that code, pop it into the app, and that's it. You've proven you are who you say you are.
And boom, just like magic, your post instantly shows back up on your profile right back in its original spot on your grid. And here's the best part. All of the original likes and comments are restored right along with it. It's literally like it never even happened.
No weird software, no sketchy third-party apps, no frantic emails to customer support. Just a few simple taps inside the app you already use every day. It really, really is that simple.
So now you know how to bring your posts back from the brink. It kind of makes you wonder, right? What other hidden features and cool secrets are just hiding in plain sight on these apps we use all the time? Let us know what we should explain next.